homies.
Ready?
First drinks of the cruise.
On your first cruise.
We recently boarded our first cruise on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas with our good friends, the Monroes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, John's a 27.5 right now.
In this video, meet our godson Jack and follow along as we hit the sail away party, and stay tuned for a ship tour later in the video. Where are we headed?
Well, right now, we're driving to Mechanicsburg,
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Then we're loading up John and Aaron and Jack.
Long weekend in Mechanicsburg. Just kidding.
No, that's not where we're going. So heading down to Baltimore tonight, hitting Jimmy's for sushi night, which we're super pumped about. And we fly out first thing in the morning from BWI to Orlando. And we're spending the day in Orlando and then boarding a cruise with Royal Caribbean on Friday morning.
You guys, this is our first cruise. So we're not going to bore you with all the little details before we get to the actual cruise ship. But we will talk about how to prepare for a cruise if you want to do that and so forth. So definitely, I don't know where I was going. So we'll catch up with you at some point during this entire process. No one knows where, but we're looking forward to it. So we'll be back.
Para todos los clientes del aeropuerto, por razones de...
Jack, man, how are we enjoying lounge access?
Amazing.
How was that muffin? Best muffin you ever had?
This is the best breakfast ever.
Wow. That's a bold statement.
I'm gonna go get more food after this. After I finish my yogurt, I'm gonna go get more food.
Okay. All right, cool.
Para su inspección o pueden dañarse o destruirse. Por razones de seguridad.
She said boarding was complete.
Boarding is complete.
Guys, we are middle seat free. Travel hack 101.
Please silence cell phones and other portable devices and ensure the hair switch to camera airplane mode. Flight attendants prepare doors for departure. Cross check. Stand by for alcohol.
How we feeling?
Ready to go.
Ready to get this bird in the air?
Go.
All right. So these are the people that are being mean to me.
Oh,
But I'm gonna ask them if they're ready to get on the ship.
You go, sensitive Sally. Like,
Well, hopefully,
give it a rest.
hopefully he asks everyone if they're ready. Because
Yeah,
he was skipping
it's like
people
some of us
before.
don't
Right,
exist,
right.
or some of us aren't going.
It's really a situation where someone.
Am I allowed to go this time, Kenny?
Aaron,
Yes.
are you ready? John, are you ready?
I'm very ready to go, and I'm hoping that everyone's excited. We know Kenny's not because he's really whining right now.
Hold on. Have you trimmed your nose hairs lately? Jack, man.
Hey.
Hello.
We ready?
Yeah.
And this one, you ready?
Come at me like that,
She's
bro.
giving me the stink eye.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so excited.
Sweet.
Getting on a ship.
On a scale of 1 to 10, John's a 27.5 right now.
Guys, we made it on the ship.
Yep, we just boarded the ship. John and Aaron are setting up a reservation at the Izumi bar right now. And we're just kind of checking it out and looking for our first drink.
Yeah, definitely. So far, first impressions, this ship is awesome. It doesn't even feel like you're on a ship.
No, it feels like you're on like you're in like a city.
Yeah, or like a giant mall or something.
With bars and like stuff everywhere. So
Yeah.
So we're gonna get after it, and we'll be back with you in a little bit.
All right, so one of the first things that you want to do when you get onto the ship is make sure if you have a specialty dining package, head over to your restaurants to make your reservations a while because they will fill up. So definitely make sure you do that. First drinks of the cruise.
On your first cruise.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So one of the first things you need to do when you get on board, after you get a drink, of course, is to get
And
to
make your reservations for specialty dining.
reservations for specialty dining. We just covered that. Is also get to your muster station, which is basically your safety briefing, but John will explain that just a little bit more.
First, you watch stuff on the app. You gotta watch how you put your life jacket on, those kinds of things. Ship's horn. Then you go to your muster station. Ours is
P13.
And then they do a little thing, check you off, and you're good to go. And you can't go on the cruise until you do it.
Yeah, but it's important because John tells me that the cruise will not leave port until everyone has completed this. So
I'm pretty sure.
don't be that guy. Just get it done.
I'm pretty sure they don't. I mean, there's some kind of penalty if you don't do it.
We'll find out later.
Well, we won't.
No, we won't, but maybe someone else will.
How does it feel to board a Royal Caribbean cruise ship?
It feels pretty nice because you know that you're going on vacation and that you're gonna have a fun time. So it feels pretty good.
Happy sail away! Alright guys, we are going to give you a ship tour of the Independence of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. And to give you the ship tour, we are going to give you the experts in the ship. Our godson, Jack Monroe.
Hi guys.
Take it away, buddy.
So, our first stop on this ship tour is going to be Deck 14, the Viking Crown Lounge.
Alright, this looks like fun.
This is the Viking Crown Lounge. It's just a lounge where you can see the ocean.
Yeah, get
Now,
drinks.
In order to get here, you do have to take the port side elevators only.
Port side elevators only.
The starboard side elevators do not get you here. Or you could just take the stairs.
We could do that too.
Up this floor is Deck 15, but there was a game in progress on the escape room currently, so we cannot go up there.
So Deck 15 is the escape room.
And it's really just only the escape room. Alright, next let's go down a floor to Deck 13. So, this is Deck 13. This is where you would find all of the sports activities, the jogging track, the flow rider, the rock climbing wall.
And the water slides too, right?
Oh yeah, and the sky pad. The sky pad is a bungee jump thing where you can do virtual reality. The flow rider is a surfing simulator.
Yeah.
The rock climbing wall is a rock climbing wall, and the water slides are water slides.
Basically, any activity, fun activity that you want to do is on this
There
deck.
is in there are a few exits to the outside back over here. There is the thing over here. It's where the Florida is got and the Perfect Storm are. The Perfect Storm is the water slides. The reason it's called that is because they are named the Typhoon and the Cyclone. Let's go outside and check them out. So, due to a ton of
Awesome. So we're gonna go down to deck 12? Yeah. All right, let's head on. All right, so we are on deck 12.
And this is, and I was wrong, the jogging track is not on deck 13, it's on deck 12. Also, out here is the Challengers Arcade. We have Johnny Rockets, which on my last cruise was where we had lunch the first day. If we were to go over here, we can also see what else is on deck 12.
Coming along.
We also have the Spa and Fitness Center. There are staterooms here, but not too much. There is also the Sky Lounge, Adventure Ocean. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. And I don't know what that is. Alright, now we're going to go down a floor to see what's there.
All right, let's do it. Welcome to deck 11.
This is the pool deck. Right over here we have fish and chips. Called Splashaway Bay, also known as the kids area.
There is an adults area. It's called the solarium, and that's indoors. And it's on the other side.
Yeah,
that's the forward of the ship.
That's right.
So, this is the inside of deck 11, where you can find the Windjammer, Giovanni's, and Chops. Chops and Giovanni's are a specialty dining package, and the Windjammer is a buffet. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet.
You can have breakfast here. You can have lunch here. And can you have dinner here?
Let's look at the hours of operation.
You can have dinner here.
Oh, yeah, you can. But it is 6 to 9.
That's right.
But I think that's perfect. So, this is deck 5. Right here is the dining room, which there are 3 floors of the dining room on deck 5, deck 4, and deck 3.
We have some restaurants.
Got gift shops, things I want to point out. Next cruise, where you can book your next cruise. The Cafe Promenade. It has good food. Ben & Jerry's and Sugar Beach. It's called Sugar Beach, but it says Sweet Shop.
And we can't forget the champagne bar.
Oh yeah, we can't forget about that.
And buddy, what is this called?
This is the Royal Promenade.
This is the main floor. This is where everything is happening.
This is the heart of every Royal Caribbean ship. So this is the outside of deck 4. The inside we cannot show you because there's too much music.
Lots of music. Copyright claims. No good.
Inside deck 4 we have the Royal Casino. We also have the Schooner Bar and some other bars. So this is deck 3, which has Studio B, which is an ice skating rink, which where last night and the night before there was something called Freeze Frame, which was an ice skating show showcasing different events that happened in, I believe, the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Back over here we have the Focus Photo Gallery, which is a photo gallery where you can upload and download your pictures to the cloud or print them. So this concludes our ship tour. Now, the reasons we skipped deck 1, deck 2, and 6 through 10 is because they didn't really have anything on them other than staterooms, and that would be pretty boring if we just showed always the staterooms. And yeah.
Thank you for joining us on our ship tour.